Yeah.
I'm going to talk about the expectation that I accomplished, but also the expectations that I didn't accomplish. I have improved my grammar skills because I did exercises in the useful pages which Monse gave us in the beginning of the semester. However, I think I can be better in that aspect. Now I can read better and faster. Besides, I can understand an English conversation because during the semester I read different articles. I also watched some movies and TV shows in English, but I think I didn't improve my pronunciation because when I want to say something in English, I pronounce it wrong. But now I don't feel so nervous when I speak in English because the oral exams help me to feel more relaxed. I still missing some language skills. For example, I have to improve my pronunciation. I still have some problems with the grammar section in TOEFL because I think that I didn't practice enough. Furthermore, I still don't speak English very well. For that, I want to go to a place where I can speak more. Maybe take extra classes or something like that, because in my house no one speaks English. And this is very important for me because I know that one of the most important aspects in English language is speaking, because you need it to communicate to other people. So if you can't speak English correctly, then it will be difficult for me to apply my knowledge about the language, and it will not help me to develop myself in my career, job, and life. If I want to go to another country, then I have to speak English to communicate with the others. And if I know English, it will be easier to find a job. For example, if I want to work in Google, Apple, or Microsoft, then I have to have a good level of English. It is important because we have to be able to speak in English because it is an international language. Besides, the companies ask you to speak English as a requirement. On the other hand, the latest information is in English. For example, in my career, most of the systems, material, resources and protocols are in English. For that, it is very important that if we have the opportunity to improve our English skills, we have to take it. Maybe if I had read more, I would have learned more vocabulary. Besides, if I had studied more grammar topics since the beginning of the semester, I would have improved my grammar skills faster. If I had the opportunity to go back to the beginning of the semester, I would have studied for the quizzes. I also could not have done the homework one day before. Besides, I would have practiced more for my oral exams, especially for the first, which was about an important event for me, and the third, which was about Porfirio Diaz, his accomplishments, values and attitudes. And the most important aspect that I want to change is that I will have studied more for the TOEFL exam.